Hello everyone in grade 11. This is a new lesson 14.2, chapter 14, lesson 2 in pre-calculus book. Please follow me from your book. This lesson is talking about the law of cosine. In any triangle ABC, if we have the angles ABC capitals and ABC smalls denoted to the sides, so A squared, any side square, equals the other two sides, c square plus b square minus 2 times b times c cosine A. If you want to get b, so the b square equals a square plus c square minus 2 times a times c cosine b. If you want to get c square, c small square, this side square, this side equals this side plus this side equals a square plus b square minus 2 times a times b cosine c. Let's see how can we use this law. We use the cosine law if we have two given sides and the included angle to get the third side, or if we have three sides to get any angle. And by means of the sine law and cosine law, we can solve any triangle, means to get the missing sides and the missing angles. Let's see example 1. In this triangle, we have two sides, C and A, and the angle included between them. And we want to get the side B. So we can say that B squared is equal to this side squared plus the other side squared minus 2 times the same two sides but without squaring times cosine the angle between them. And then do all this in the calculator. You will get 49.1 after getting the square root, of course. So the B will be 49.1. This is a direct example to get side, and if you know two given sides and the angle between them. The second usage of this law is to get an angle if you know the three sides. Look, I know the three sides here. I want to get angle A. So you can say that A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine A. Means this number squared equals the other two numbers squared minus 2 times the same two numbers without squaring cosine A. And now I want to get cosine A. This is the missing, but all this is given. So take these two numbers to the other side and then divide over this. It will be this 13 square, 11.3 square minus 7.2 square minus 14.8 square over all this part, because I want to get the cosine A. And do all this in the calculator, you will get 0.67. Find the angle which is cosine is 0.67, cosine minus 1, 0.67 equals 47. This is the first part. Another example. Example 3. Solve the triangle. In this triangle we have two sides and the included angle, and I want to solve the triangle, means I want to get the third side and the other two angles. So we are going to use the cosine law and the sine law. First, let's start with cosine law to get G. The G squared equals D squared plus F squared minus 2D times F cosine G. So when I get this number, get the square root to get G, it is 6.4, easy. And then use the law of sines to find the second angle. Do you remember the law of sine? Sine D over D equals sine G over G. Sine G over G. substitute. Sine D, you don't know it because you don't know this angle, but you know D is the opposite side of the capital D. It's 4.7 equals sine G, you know G, which is 81 over 6.4. Cross multiply, so sine D is equal to this times this divided by this, 0.725. This is the sine, and then get the angle by getting sine minus 1, this number, it will be 46.5. Now I know the this angle. To get the third angle, subtract these two angles from 180. It will be 180 minus the sum of the two given angles. It will be 53. In this lesson, you have a practice in page 899 from 19 to 42 odd numbers, and your project will be number 49. Thank you.